routine flight ended in tragedy. An Antonov An-24 turboprop from Angara Airlines, flying from Blagoveshchensk to Tinda, vanished from radar at around 1:05 p.m. local time today. It was attempting its second landing in dense fog, poor visibility and tough conditions. Then, complete silence. Rescue teams raced into the Siberian wilderness. After hours of searching, they found the burnt fuselage, 9 miles south of Tinda Airport. Inside were 42 passengers and 6 crew members, including 5 children. Tragically, no survivors were found. The aircraft, an Antonov An-24, a Cold War-era workhorse, designed in the late 1950s and still in service in Russia's remote regions. Many of these planes are over 50 years old, flying under extended certificates due to ongoing sanctions. Investigators say the crash happened during the second landing attempt, amid heavy fog. Preliminary findings point to possible crew error, but experts caution that multiple factors likely contributed. Aging aircraft, minimal cockpit instruments, challenging terrain, limited navigation aids. And this isn't the first incident involving the An-24. In recent years, several crashes have triggered safety concerns over maintenance standards and outdated avionics. Russian authorities responded immediately. Over 149 rescuers and 21 Vanishes were deployed, many on foot due to the remote terrain. President Putin has been informed, and a federal commission is leading the investigation. Families of those on board are being supported by local authorities. This accident raises urgent questions for global aviation. Does flying on decades-old aircraft in remote areas pose too great a risk? How much does weather and poor visibility play in cockpit safety in these regions? Are sanctions preventing crucial modernization of aging fleets? For international travelers, today's crash is a stark reminder. Not all aircraft are equal in safety or technology, and in some parts of the world, flying still demands extra awareness for passengers and regulators alike. To the 42 lives lost today, our deepest condolences. Aviation Archives is tracking every development with respect and care. If you found this coverage meaningful, please like this video, subscribe to Aviation Archives, and tap the bell for updates on global aviation incidents, technical insights, and the realities beyond the runway. Because every flight has a story, and sometimes those stories end too soon. Thank you for watching. We'll see you next time as we continue exploring the skies and the stories they hide.